she died.
He had demons, I think, in his past, and he was trying to deal with those. He was in a room with her. He was the only one seen coming and going. I can't accuse him because I don't know what happened in that room, but the summation would be that he did something.
She says the FBI told the family Anna was choked to death, possibly with a bar hold maneuver.
You take the elbow like this. They said when they took her body to the medical examiner's office, it was in perfect condition.
Anna's grandmother told ABC that she sat with the 16-year-old as he was questioned by the FBI and was shocked by what she heard.
I heard him, in his own words, say he does not remember what happened. He was an emotional mess. He couldn't even speak. He couldn't believe what had happened.
Anna spent her last evening with her grandparents in the casino aboard the Carnival Horizon cruise ship. The next morning, they heard a chilling announcement.
They called for a medical alert team to go to a stateroom. And when they said the number, I recognized the number immediately.
A maid had discovered Anna's body stuffed under her bed.
I just screamed. I couldn't stop screaming.
Funeral services today for Anna, the 18-year-old cheerleader who was found dead on a cruise ship. We know her stepbrother is under suspicion, and he was allegedly obsessed with Anna. We've got the latest, including an exclusive interview with the dead teen's mother, who reveals she has been banned from attending her daughter's funeral, but is going anyway in disguise. Ann Mercogliano reports.
Edition also spoke exclusively to Anna's biological mother, Heather, who says she was told not to attend, but says she was determined to say goodbye to her daughter and will go in disguise.
Heather, what are you going to do to get in?
I'm going to put a wig on and wear some really tall shoes because I'm 4'9".
Heather and Anna's father, Christopher Kepner,
This morning, Anna Kepner's father speaking out for the first time since authorities believe his 18-year-old daughter was murdered by her 16-year-old stepbrother on board a Carnival cruise.
That kind of took us for a loop. It was hard. Being in her place to do that is very hard.
Christopher Kepner stepping up to collect his daughter's high school diploma at what should have been her high school graduation.
Our time with Anna was short, but it left us with many memories that we will forever cherish.
We waited for her name to be called, and I walked up and grabbed the diploma. My wife set up the senior table, and it was great.
Anna's father walking off stage shedding a tear as his daughter's classmates and their families applauded up out of their seats. remembered.
Wonderful, beautiful, outgoing, class clown, but serious sometimes. Just thank you to the school.
Hannah Battah,